C and C++, they look similar, but inside they are very different. C is one of the oldest programming languages in the world. It was created in 1970s and it's still used for operating systems, hardware drivers, and embedded systems. C is fast, simple, and gives programming full control over memory. C++ was created as an improved version of C. It has object-oriented programming, classes, and many modern folders. C++ is great for games, desktop apps, and larger projects. You can say C++ is C with more power and flexibility. Programming paradigm. C is a procedural language. It focuses on functions and step-by-step instructors to solve a task. C++ supports both procedures and object-oriented programming, which help organize code into classes and objects. This makes C++ programs areas to scale and maintain. Input and output. C uses the stdoh library with printf and scafe for input and output. These functions are powerful but sometimes less safe. C++ uses istream with cout and scene, which are type safe and easier to read. This makes code cleaner and more modern. Header files. C use H header files like stdoh or stdlibh to included functions. This method works fine but is older and less flexible. C++ supports both H and HPP file and uses modern headers like ISOstream. It also better code organizer and namespaces. Memory management. C uses calloc and free for dynamic memory. You must manage every byte yourself. If you forget to free memory, it can use memory leaks. C++ uses new and delayed, which are easier to use and safer. It also supports constructors and destructors to manage memory automatically. Function overloading. C does not support function overloading, so all functions must have unique names. This can make code headers to maintain. C++ supports function overloading, which also you to use the same function names with different parameters. It makes code cleaner and more readable. Namespaces. C does not have namespaces, so all functions and variables are in the same global space. This can cause name conflicts in big project. C++ uses namespaces to organize code and avoid conflicts. Is useful for larger and complex applications. Error handling. C. Use return values or error codes to handle mistakes. You must check the result manually every time. C++ uses try, catch, and throw for exception handling. This makes code safer and more readable. Data encapsulation. C stores all data in structures, but it cannot hide information or use methods inside them. This makes it harder to protect variables. C++ also classes with private and public members. This helps hide data and make programs more secure. Inline functions. C uses markers for small repeated code, but they don't check types and can cause bugs. It's fast but unsafe. C++ also inline functions which are safer and type checked by the compiler. They improve performances without losing safety. Standard libraries. C has a small standard library for basic input output. Math and strings is fast but limited. C++ includes the standard template library STL with vectors, strings, maps, and more. It saves a lot of time and makes code more powerful and efficient. So, C is perfect for low-level programming and learning how computers work. C++ is better for complex object-oriented software. Both are powerful, but they serve different globals. One gives control, the other gives structure.